You have also walking path?
Yeah. Walking?
No.
We have the golf cart. We have also luggage room. We have actually 130 rooms here. So it's a very big
No, this is
property.
walking path.
Walking path, yes, of course, because we also have the golf carts to assist the guests upon arrival and upon checkout, and of course during the day upon availability. So the entry level of this property is the Sunset Suite. The Sunset Suites, all the suites have direct sunset views.
When you open property?
2019, this one.
So 1 year before COVID.
Exactly, yes, 1 year before COVID. And every year we build new things. This is the first year that the hotel operates with all the rooms inside. We have 32 rooms of the entry-level category. The second level category is the Natura Suite. We're gonna see one Natura Suite. Then we have an Oasis, an Executive, and then we have a family suite, and then 2-bedroom villa, 3-bedroom villa, 4-bedroom villa, and the biggest one, the 6-bedroom villa, which is the biggest villa in Nia. We're gonna see it today, so it's very nice. We have 2 parkings, one here and one downstairs. And as I said to you before, we have the kids club, we have the conference room, we have a big spa, a gym.
We can start from biggest villa?
Whatever you want.
No,
You want to
start from biggest one.
Sure. Sure. We have 2 restaurants here and 3 pools.
Super. So smell is very good.
Sorry?
Smell very good.
Yeah, it's all the flowers. We also have a luxury boutique inside for those who want to. We have 3 boutiques actually. The 2 are in the Caldera, and one is here inside the Andronis Arcadia. So to go to the Eden Villa with the 6-bedroom villa, we're going from this way.
Sunset side.
Yeah. So as you can see, it's more of a resort style, more of small houses everywhere.
Smallest
From
room?
here is the
How big?
Alexia Spa. From here we're going to the 6-bedroom villa.
Eden Villa.
Yes, let me tell you that this villa has 6 rooms, 2 pools, we have a cabin for spa downstairs and a gym, and this is the private villa. The main street, we have barbecue. Inside the price of this villa is included the chef service. We do usually, because here we host many friends coming and travel together, the private dinners is a must, and also the feedback is amazing.
How big?
It's 600 square meters.
And what's the published rate?
Sorry?
Published rate?
How many?
Published rate. Price.
Oh, well, it's
Published.
can get like 10,000 per night.
So it's most expensive villa in
Exactly.
India.
Yeah. If you want to go outside, you can, of course. There is natural light.
So this main bedroom?
The master bedroom, yes, it's this one because it's the only this one in this room. In this flat, in this level, so it can be the master bedroom. And from here, we have a big cuisine, big kitchen. This door here connects the villa with the restaurant area. Let's see first from here, and then after we can go to all the other rooms inside. Would you like to go outside?
Так, so we go this way?
Please. This area to see also the other rooms, and then we have
there.
downstairs.
So we have two. This is
Three.
3. Okay.
Four.
4.
And here is another bathroom if you want to see.
You have Apivita.
Yeah, and also this year we added Espa, the
Espa.
brand of.
So it's far better than Apivita.
Yes, it's elevated. Apivita, it's a great product,
No?
but you know it from Greece, right?
I see the talent. If you can eat, it's not bad.
If you can eat this apple.
Just maybe not very tasty. So this I know. Down.
So here is the spa, the gym, sorry.
Сейчас. So 5,
Yes.
big one.
Also, it's a balcony upstairs, outside, a big bathtub here.